That was really smart of you. That was a move to kind of come on my right side like that. What if I would have turned over on that shit? Well, that was a move, bro. You passed me right on my right. What if I would have went on to the right, bro?
What if, right?
Yeah, up, bro.
You want to pull over and talk about it?
Nah, don't be a about it, bro. You don't gotta be a about it. Just go on, bro. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, man.
Like I'm on a Harley, homie.
Dude, I'm cruising, bro. I have a family to go to. You passed me on the right.
I do that so wrong.
Dude, you passed me on the right. I didn't even see you coming.
Man.
Ride safe, bro. He's been drinking, bro. With Florida, you don't know if they're carrying. There's to stand your ground. He seems like he's had a couple drinks. Fucking look. You look. If I can see your face in your mirror, that means you saw me.
I didn't see you.
I saw your face. I saw your face. I could see her face in her passenger side mirror when she put her turn signal on.
Out of my car. Get off the car. Really?
What are you gonna do? I have a helmet on.
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that. Get on your motorcycle and drive off. I'm a 45-year-old man. Get on your boy. You're on Dashcam. You're on Dashcam.
Oh, I'm on Dashcam?
Yeah, you're on Dashcam.
Yeah, look at your plate.
Dashcam.
Shut the fuck up.
แค่นี้แหละ
What's wrong with you, dumbass dude? What are you doing, dude?
Say it again, please. Put
Dude.
your fucking finger out at me again. You're doing 60 miles an hour. You're gonna kill somebody,
No,
you
I
dumbass.
just sped
you
up.
are a dumb.
Sped up
Slow
because you
down.
pulled down in front of me.
Slow down.
You pulled out straight in front of me, bro.
You've gone too fast.
You pulled out straight in front of me.
Go slower.
I sped up to move around you. Stupid ass mother. Swear to God.
Die rode lampjes betekent dat je moet stoppen. Dat er nou wel niemand aankomt, rood licht is rood licht.
Ja, sorry.
Ja, dat is gewoon dom. Als ik niet oplet, dan rij jij mij dood. Ik rijd in een andere auto, dan is de auto kapot. Maar mij rijdt dood. Dat is erg vervelend, niet?
Ja, gaat. What are you fucking doing, eh? Fucking idiot. Fucking stupid cunt.
What the fuck are you laughing at?
Is he laughing?
Yeah. You fucking idiot! Get this fucking mirror.
Is it funny, is it?
Roll it down!
Is it funny, eh?
Roll it
Funny?
down!
Something to laugh about, do you? Eh? Something to fucking laugh about? Stupid cunt.
Shit.
Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp derp derp.
¡Cógelo! 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 Dale bolso. Dame bolso, bonita. Dame bolso.
¿Qué es lo que vas a hacer? Suelta el bolso. Suelta el bolso, suelta el bolso. No te pares porque te jodes. No te pares. No. Este es el raterito que nos tiene azotado aquí en este barrio. Nos tiene azotado, todos los días roba. Todos los días roba en este barrio y ha arrastrado a varias personas.
Alemón, vas a fumar parido.
Tienes que...
When? Huh? Well, that giggle that. Because I was in the left lane, she was coming out, so I went. You were? Yeah. My heart's going like fuck, you know?
tell you that America is the greatest place on earth.
Really? Really?
Who was just driving this car? Who was driving this? Dude, you literally didn't turn on your blinkers and smashed on your brakes. Yeah, fuck everybody else on the road, right? Oh, well, that happens. Poop.